Hey guys, so I just wanted to talk with you really quickly about multiplying fractions. So that's going to be something like this problem here. So 2/3 times 6/5. Now, when I am looking at multiplying fractions, it's really important to understand here that if I wanted to, I could find common denominators for the two fractions, but doing that is actually going to make the problem so much more complicated for myself that I don't want to do that. When we are multiplying fractions together, really what we are doing is we are multiplying the denominators together and we are multiplying the numerators together to get a new answer. So it would be like if I took, let's say I've got 2/3 and then I've got 6/5. And I put them over the top of each other, what would I have in the end? So basically for this, it would be like I could do 2 times 6 over 3 times 5 to get my final answer, which would be 12 over 15. Now, from here, if I just multiplied it straight across and did that, then there's a good possibility I would get to something at the end that would need to be simplified. So I know that both of these have a factor of 3. So 12 divided by 3 equals 4, and 15 divided by 3 equals 5. So my final answer would be 4 over 5. Now, what I could do is I could have actually gone in at the original problem, so 2/3 times 6/5, and looked to see if there was anything that I could cancel out between the numerator numbers and the denominator numbers. And we call this cross-canceling. So basically what I mean by canceling out is I want to look, okay, 2 and 3, do they have any common factors that I could divide both of them by? Well, I can do 2 divided by 1 and 3 divided by 1, but that doesn't change the numbers at all, so I'm going to ignore that one. Okay, 2 and 5. Again, 1 is the only common factor, so I don't want to worry about that. Now I'm going to go to 6. Okay, 6 and 3. Oh, 6 and 3. Well, I can do 6 divided by 3, and I can also do 3 divided by 3, so I want to do that. 6 divided by 3 gives me 2. I'm just going to write that small up here. 6 divided by 3 gives me 2. And 3 divided by 3 gives me 1. So now it's as if I just found a way to simplify my fractions before I did any multiplying. So now I do 2 times 2 instead. That gives me 4. And 1 times 5 gives me 5. So it gets me the same answer either way. This way just cancels things out in the first step as opposed to getting to the end and then canceling things out.